a man named Salman of Ocean town of Jodhpur district in Rajasthan, arrested for raising Pakistan national flag. Internet services to be suspended in 25 districts of Assam on August 21 and 28 of August 2022. Dairy Development Department of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, in collaborations with Karbi Farmers Association, conducts training on hygienic milk production and marketing on 18 of August 2022. A man named Salman of Ocean town of Jodhpur district in Rajasthan, arrested for raising Pakistan national flag 2 days after India's Independence Day 2022. As per Times Now report, along with him, Sanju Khan was also raised slogans of Pakistan Jindabad and was arrested after religious complaint reached the police. According to reports, the man also shared a pro-Pakistan post on social media. An investigation was launched to find out his intention behind this and if he has any link with Pakistan. Jamson Teron report on updates on Tiranga, Karbi Daily News. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma on Wednesday announced that internet services will be suspended on account of recruitment exam for nearly 30,000 posts of Grade 3 and Grade 4 will commence in the district on August 21 and 25, 2022. Attending a virtual meeting with DCS and other stakeholders to ensure smooth conduct of the exams, CM asked the authorities to ban internet service during the examination hours in the district having examination centers for the recruitment. As per Pratidin report, about 14 lakh candidates are expected to appear in the exams. Himanta Biswa Sarma told the authority to ban the mobile internet service for at least 3 hours during the examinations on respective days. The Chief Minister also asked the Director General of Police to deploy an officer of the rank of Superintendent of Police in every district, who will be the overall in charge of security of all centers in the district. He further asked the DGP to deploy a sub-inspector rank officer in every center of the state. He asked all officials to have zero tolerance towards those who resort to practices such as spreading rumors on the recruitment process. Jamson Teron, report on Assam Updates, Karbi Daily News. Training on hygienic milk production and marketing was conducted by Dairy Development on 18 of August 2022 by Department of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, DIFU, in collaborations with Karbi Farmers Association at Longki Teron village of Upper HDP. In this one-day training on hygienic milk production and marketing, dairy directors and officers attended and showed to the farmers ways and means to increase milk production in more hygienic way. The training program was also attended by Mr. Karunananda Sarma, Assistant Director Dairy Extension Service, DIFU, Mr. M.M. Hasnu, Accountant Dairy Extension Service, DIFU, Mr. Monin Teron Gaubura, Mr. Tinku Inti, President KFA CEC, Mr. Hemari Rongpi, Spokesperson, KFA CEC, Mr. Samson Togbi, AGS KFA CEC, Mr. Robinson Rongpar, AFS KFA CEC, Mr. Bhupen Inglang, President Borjan Branch, Mr. Babu Rongpi, Secretary Borjan Branch, and many members were also present in the training. News Text Report, Karbi Daily News.